Hello learners, we're going to be working on part 4 of our ecosystem and interaction project called Energy Flow. And there are a couple parts to this. Our topic is, of course, energy flowing and energy flowing through an ecosystem. And our essential question is, how do organisms get energy to live and grow? There are 2 helpful videos that you can watch right here that would take you through a little bit review of the food web and energy moving within an ecosystem. The first part is food source, and you're going to create a list of organisms. Those will be plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, all those different parts of your ecosystem. And when you do that, you're going to put the organism here, and then you're going to classify it as a herbivore, okay, a carnivore, an omnivore, or a decomposer. And you need to include at least 20 different organisms here. All right, so as I put an organism, I type that in, so I might put a fox, and a fox is a carnivore. How do they obtain energy? I would say they eat mice, rabbits, okay? And who eats them? Well, a cougar could eat a fox. So that is your task, is to create that list. Very similar to what you did with the savanna ecosystem. After you have that list, you're going to create a food web, much like you've already done. It's a diagram to model how energy is transferred among organisms in your ecosystem. And make sure you're including the direction of the energy movement. And you're going to want to use an arrow to do that. Okay, so the direction, I'm going to put an arrow. Okay, that the energy is moving. It should have a key, and within that key, maybe you should put things like the classification. Is it a decomposer, carnivore, etc.? Okay. Organisms, you're going to create the list using your food source. So you're going to be referring back to this section. And make sure you include the sun, because everything starts at the sun. Note, it's a very large drawing. You may need to include more than one Google Draw. I think you should be able to get this in there. You can use words or pictures or both. It's totally up to you. So final question, putting it all together, click here to create your Google drawing. A lot of kids have been doing a summary paragraph there. Really good idea, but it's up to you. So once again, this is part 4 of your ecosystem project. And if you have any questions, please let your teacher know.